In this video, I'll guide you through how to resign in Zoho People. If you're planning to leave your organization and need to submit your resignation through the Zoho People system, this walkthrough will help you understand exactly what to do step by step so you can complete the process smoothly and confidently. Let's start from the main dashboard. Once you're logged into Zoho People, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your central hub for all your HR-related activities. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account and that you can see your usual widgets or sections such as attendance, leave, or announcements. From here, we're going to use a shortcut that makes starting the resignation process quick and straightforward. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled Quick Actions. This is usually located in a prominent area, often near the top or side of the screen, and it's designed to give you fast access to the most common tasks without having to dig through multiple menus. Go ahead and click Quick Actions. When you open it, you'll see a small menu or panel with different options related to your profile and HR functions. Within the Quick Actions menu, find and click the option called Employee. This section is focused on employee-related changes and information, and it's where you'll usually manage updates to your status, role, or other employment details. By choosing Employee, you're telling the system that you want to make a change that affects your own employment record. After clicking Employee, you'll be taken to an area where you can manage your employee details. Here, look for something called Employee Status Change. This is the key part of the process when you're resigning. The Employee Status Change option is what allows you to request a formal change to your employment status, such as moving from active to resigned. Click on Employee Status Change. Depending on how your organization has set things up, you may see fields where you can select the new status you're requesting, such as resigned or separation, along with options to enter your intended last working day and possibly a reason for leaving. Even though the original instructions only highlight reaching this screen, it's important to carefully review everything that appears here. Take your time to read any notes or guidelines that might be shown on the page, because some companies include instructions about notice periods, approvals, or what happens after you submit your request. If there are text fields for comments, this is often where you can add a brief and professional note about your resignation if your organization expects that. Before you proceed, double check the dates you enter, especially your last working day, to make sure it matches what you've discussed with your manager or HR if you've had that conversation already. Once you've confirmed the details are correct, you can move forward with whatever submission or save option is shown on the screen. After you complete this step, keep an eye on your email or Zoho People notifications, as you may receive confirmation or follow-up instructions from HR. And that's the basic flow. From the dashboard, you open Quick Actions, choose Employee, and then go into Employee Status Change to start your resignation process in Zoho People.